Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making taco mac and cheese. Alright guys, I'm starting out in my skillet. I'm going to add in roughly a pound of ground beef. Now this isn't lean ground beef, so I'm going to have to drain the grease off when it's done browning. And I'm going to go ahead and break this up and brown it up. Alright, now that my ground beef is all browned up and I drained off that excess grease, I'm going to add in 2 cups of raw elbow macaroni. And I'm also going to add in 2 3/4 cup of water. Turn my heat back on, guys. We want to get this warmed up. Now I'm going to add in 1.5 teaspoons of chili powder. And I'm just eyeballing this, guys. That looks about right. And I'm going to add in, this is a 24-ounce jar of thick and chunky salsa. I'm going to add a little less than half of it in there. Just a little more. I added about half of it in, guys. I'm going to give this a stir. And guys, it's a real quick and easy meal. One you want to knock out real quick, and there's nothing to dice up or slice up or nothing like that, so that saves you some time and trouble there. Now I'm going to bring this up to a boil. I'm going to cover it, bring it up to a boil, turn it down to simmer, and let it simmer for 10 minutes covered. Alright guys, after this one for the 10 minutes, see how that macaroni soaked up all of that liquid. I'm just going to give it a stir. And this is looking and smelling delicious, guys. Now I have some Mexican taco blend cheese here. I'm going to add some in. Just want to stir that in there, guys. And guys, this here is a really easy meal, like I said earlier. It's going to be loaded with flavor. And add a little more. I'm going for probably about 2 cups of cheese in there, guys. And you just want to stir it around until your cheese melts. Alright guys, this is looking good. Let's go ahead and fix up the plate and see what we got. Guys, I added a little bit of red crushed pepper flakes to mine because I want a little spicy. If you don't like your food spicy, that's fine. Give this a try. It's really good. You get the creaminess of the cheese, the spice of the chunky sauce, which isn't very spicy, so if you don't like spicy food, this will be fine for you. Macaroni's tender. That's really good, and it was really easy, guys. Alright, there you have it. Taco mac and cheese. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.